Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we're unexpectedly going to provide a review and an endorsement, by the way, completely unpaid. If you like this, thumbs up, of the Schwalbe or Schwalbe, I've heard it pronounced both ways, Hurricane puncture-resistant hybrid bike tires. I had no intention of doing this. You can see I'm all sweaty. I got back from a ride just about half an hour ago, went in, drank about 30 liters of water. It's 32 degrees Celsius out there, so I think that's like 95. It's freaking toasty. And I gotta tell you, after riding on these new tires from Schwalbe for the last about 950 some kilometers, so about 600 miles in the last few weeks, I am blown away by these things. Over the years, I've had a bunch of different puncture-resistant tires. And you know that if you don't buy puncture-resistant tires, you end up with crap like these factory tires. Just plain-ass rubber. They work, but don't go over anything that's glass or a sharp rock because you're going to get a flat. I'm an urban warrior. I'm no pro. I bike 2,000 to 2,500 kilometers a year because I'm semi-retired and I've got to keep in shape. So I'm going through city parks, provincial parks, over routes, a lot of pea gravel, a lot of curbs, a lot of broken glass on highways, lots of sharp rocks. But again, I'm no crazy mountain biker. You can see I'm just riding a cheap $300 bike that I've added a real stem to and changed the tires and a couple other bits and pieces. This is just commodity stuff. So why would I endorse these high-end tires? Because they're freaking worth it, that's why. Let's take a look at this tire bead. How the heck is this seam still here after nearly 600 miles of biking? Surely that would wear off. Nope. This rubber is Addix or Addix, A-D-D-I-X. And as you can see, it's damn near indestructible. This should have worn off. You know, when I'm talking about hot black pavement, all the way through to gravel and cement and you name it. This really should have worn off by now. When I got these, I was really concerned that this center bead was just gonna wear down. But there's just no, look at it, there's no wear on it at all. Why? Again, right there, that Addix performance on these Schwalbe or Schwalbe Hurricane tires. At this rate, it's completely rational to expect something like 4,000 kilometers of life expectancy on these hybrid tires. And I treat this thing like a rented mule. I do not treat it well. Now, just a quick note, Addix or Addix is a proprietary formulation for Schwalbe, but you know, Maxxis has their 3C and Max Speed tires, and Continental has Black Chill or Chili. And there's a bunch of other brands out there with excellent compounds as well, but these are really something. Now, in addition to that Addix rubber, ADDIX rubber compound that is apparently indestructible, this also has shielding on the inside, what they call RaceGuard technology, which is 2 layers of crossed nylon fabric that gives it a shielding all the way around. So if you were to ride over something really sharp, like, you know, say a knife or a tack that's pointed up, that is going to go through that rubber, well, the shielding on the inside protects it, so you don't get a flat in the middle of nowhere. I ran with those crap tires on a factory bike for a few weeks last season when I bought a new bike, and I had 3 flats in 6 weeks. That's not fun. And as far as price goes, I can tell you that the price is really variable. I paid about $60 Canadian for these tires each. So let's call it 40 US. But last week, these tires were $108 Canadian, and this week they're $96 Canadian. So my suggestion is buy them in the fall or over the winter, because that's when they're cheap. But even if you have to pay full price, paying an extra 50 bucks to avoid having a breakdown, a puncture, a hole, a flat in the middle of nowhere, even if you're in the middle of the city, it's totally worthwhile. I do all of my own repairs, but I just want the thing to work. I want to get on the bike, check the tire pressure, go. That's it. And these Schwalbe Hurricanes with the X or ADDIX compound and the RaceGuard shielding on the inside, totally awesome. Hey, if you found the video remotely interesting, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or comment below. And if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.